So, what are we doing today, Will?
Hiking.
Yeah, we're gonna go hike Crescent, and we brought our skis with us. So, we'll see how good the snow is, and yeah, we're gonna get to it. Hope you enjoy the show.
Know how to talk with a little bit of traction and put it into action. What you saying? No, say it so I know I believe.
Switching over to Gopro.
With a little bit of passion, you're gonna make it happen. We'll go on. You gotta go like you, move on like you mean it, like you mean it. Know that you're leaving like you mean it, like you mean it. Hey, what you say, is it what you mean? Or are you only talking?
It's a good day.
It's
How you doing, Will?
I don't know. I'm fine.
Almost there. Some cool shoots over on the right side of the ridge here. This is painful but enjoyable at the same time.
Are you lonely watching? You gotta go like it, move on like you mean it, like you mean it. Know that you're leaving like you mean it, like you mean it. Say that you'll go, I know you can leave. No, I wouldn't doubt it.
Way down.
Hey, on the phone, talking
Whew,
is
it's a brisk one.
Let's see your money where your mouth is. I thought you said
Yeah.
you were leaving. But then make me believe it. I thought you said you were leaving. You gotta leave like you mean it. Go like you, move on like you mean it. You gotta leave like you mean it. Know that you're leaving like you mean it. You gotta leave like you mean it.
Please tell me there's a way down over here. Oh! About him as much. Oh, it's so grippy. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Sounded bad. We made it. It was a lot of pain and a lot of pain and more
Cold.
pain.
Wind.
Cold. They can't see you at all.
Yeah.
But we're done now. That was fun. Until next time.